This cabin will accommodate a family of 6. Let's take a look. This little nook is so perfect for kids. Each one even has its own TV and remote. The split bathroom is awesome. You have a toilet and sink on one side, and next to that you have another room with a shower. This little chalkboard area is fun. Ask your stateroom attendant for chalk. Moving into the main area of the cabin, you've got your desk/vanity, and then you've got your couch, which will fold out into a bed. Then just past the main sleeping area, you'll see these chairs. This window actually has buttons to roll down to turn into a balcony. Would you stay in this cabin? Let me know.